항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 돼.
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home in Hanoi, Vietnam. We've been here about 2 weeks right now and we've been loving the city so much and we've been loving the food. And today I'm going to show you one of our favorite breakfasts. It became one of our favorite breakfasts right now. Bánh mì trứng. Okay. It's egg bánh mì. It's pretty much egg sandwich, but more like a Vietnamese style. Pho is amazing for breakfast too, yes, but this sandwich has been like our go-to because you can actually grab and go and eat. And in Vietnam, it's only 20,000 dong, which is how much is that? 84 cents. It's not even $1. But back home, it's probably cost more than that. So I'm going to show you how to make it. There's really nothing special thing to it, but how they just cook the egg and combine together is just a little different. And obviously eating in the street of Hanoi makes it extra delicious. And you will hear a lot of this beep beep sound, the honking sound outside because we are right next to a really big busy road in Hanoi. So please understand that part. So let's get started. So we just got this bánh mì from a local store and I got some eggs. Look at this, how cute. The eggs are coming in a basket like this. Super cute. So I'm going to toast the bánh mì first in a preheated oven. This is like a little tiny section of oven in the stove. And you can find the Vietnamese baguette like this in your local Vietnamese bakery or local Vietnamese grocery store. You can find it. And if you cannot find it, just use a regular sandwich roll. That's fine too. You can toast the bread in the air fryer or your preheated oven or broiler, whatever you choose to use. That's my option. That's the only option I have. So next, we are going to make Vietnamese seasoning. So this is something I learned from OG Vietnamese chef in Hanoi. So she said some salt, sugar, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of black pepper. That's a Vietnamese seasoning. So I'm gonna make that. Here is about a tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna add some sugar and some black pepper. If you have an MSG, oh, my bread! Oh, my bread burned! I forgot about it. Ah! Okay, I have one more bread. Okay, pop the bread, turn off the, oh, smoke. Let me see, let me scrape out. Okay, I think we can use it, it's not too bad. Seasoning is done. Now we're gonna crack some egg. So you will need 2 eggs per sandwich. You know what? I think I should wash these eggs though. Seasoning with our special Vietnamese season. Put some chive or chopped green onion in it. Some place do, some place don't. It's really up to you. I mean, this is pretty much it. Oh, and some places they put cucumbers too, but I personally like without cucumber. But if you want more extra vegetable, you can definitely put the cucumber. But just a little bit of cilantro or Vietnamese coriander, perfect. You like with cucumber?
Actually, without it's better too.
So we both like without cucumber better. So that's how I'm gonna make it. I think you want a little more cilantro though, right? All right, everything is like done prepping. The street vendor, they use just cooking oil to cook their egg, but the cooking oil I thought about avocado oil, but about cold pressed avocado oil. So it has like a super green color. So I'm gonna use butter to cook the egg. Okay. Where should I put this? It's not my kitchen. I'm like, there we go. Okay. So the bread is nice and warm. Cut into half. Not all the way half, but just like cut it in half so you can kind of open it up the bread to, you know, feel the fillings. spreading with a little bit of butter to the bread or mayonnaise if you have some. It's not necessary, but she always asks if we want chili sauce, and my answer is yes, every time. So she uses our favorite banh mi place. She uses this chili sauce. So if you can find this Vietnamese chili sauce, you can definitely use this one, or this satay sauce like this would be great too. Putting satay sauce is definitely not Hanoi style of banh mi, but I'm okay with it. And some cilantro. Squeeze in the egg in this. Like this, like this. Easy, right? Just like this. And it's done! Ta! Can I call this a recipe? It's too simple. If you want fresh chili, go ahead and put it on. Now I'm gonna make the other one real fast and take a beauty shot, and we come back for the mukbang part. Should I make this one with this sauce?
And when you don't hit reply, my heartbeat goes like cosine. 내가 맘에 들면 follow 좋아요 구독. 이 노래가 유명해져야 너가 날 만나줄 거잖아. 그때 나를 바라볼게. 심장이 멎은 듯해. 누구나 꼬집힐게. 움직일 수 없어. My flowers waiting your light, and I'm moving by your side. I've been waiting for too long. 지금 right now, sunshine in the shoreline feels like
And I know that this has been like, it sounds so simple, but for some reason it's just,
The best egg sandwich yet.
I think it's the bread.
All I had was bread. I didn't get anything else.
And this chili sauce is different than sriracha too.
Even this bread itself is so good with a little bit of satay sauce. Honestly, we had this morning too.
It makes it good. How's it with that chili sauce? You want to switch? Put a lot of one more.
You said it was a little too much. How would you describe this chili sauce? It's just spicy, but it's a little sweet. It's almost like a sriracha ketchup version.
Yeah, because it's not as garlicky or and all that kind of stuff. Not as thick. But still just as spicy, but like in more of a hot sauce way.
Delicious. Guys, if you like my banh mi tung, banh mi banh mi
Egg banh mi.
please give this video a thumbs up and teach me how we pronounce it. The egg in Vietnamese.
There's an accent somewhere too, right?
No, no. And I think I'm doing right because Bo was teaching me really hard with this part. No, no.
Delicious.
Really. Thumbs up and comment below what you want to see next. Either where you want us to go, or what you want us to eat, or what you want me to show as a recipe. Comment below, let me know. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast, and this is Asian at Home. And I will see you next time. Bye!
멈춰버렸으면 해. 이야이야이야이야. 이대로 시간이 멈춰